What's going on, guys? I know I haven't been active on the YouTube channel, but just wanted to come on and tell you guys that the Camaro is finally running. We got some pretty good parts in it. Cut off the exhaust, so I'm gonna give you guys another little cold start video. But yeah, she's back and running. So yeah, guys, I'll give you a nice little cold start video right now. My brother's gonna start it up, so let's get to it. All right, guys, and here it is, cold start. I haven't started it all day. So yeah, guys, there's the car. Alright, guys, be sure to like and follow.